Hi friends, I'm Nati, welcome to my channel NatiBeads. Today I'm going to show you these beautiful and elegant earrings. Very nice. Well, I hope you like it and we start with the tutorial. Well, we started. Pick up a civet, a bicon, civet, bicon, civet, bicon, civet and bicon. Flatten down. Make a loop and go through my needle for the all beads. We join the threads and make 3 knots. We cut this piece and we pass for the next bicon. We cut 2 civets, a bicon and 2 civets. Skip civet and go through my needle for the next bicon and pull a thread. Pick up 2 civets, a bicon and 2 civets. Skip civet and go through my needle for the next bicon and pull a thread. Look this. Pick up again 2 civets, a bicon and 2 civets. Flatten down. Skip civet and go through my needle for the next bicon and pull a thread. And for the last, pick up 2 civets, a bicon and 2 civets. Skip civet and go through my needle for the next bicon and pull a thread. Look this. Now go up for the next 2 civets and for the next bicon. Pick up 6 civets and go through my needle for this bicon in the opposite direction and pull a thread and pass again for all beads and for the next bicon. Pick up 6 civets and go through for the next bicon or here and pull a thread. Pick up 6 civets and go through for the next bicon and pull a thread. Pick up 6 civets and go through for this bicon in the opposite direction and pull a thread. Now pass for the next 3 civets. Pick up a civet and go through for the next 3 civets and go through for the next bicon and pull a thread. Pick up 6 civets and go through for the next bicon. And for the last, pick up 6 civets and go through for the next bicon for here and pull a thread. Look this. Now I'm going to go through all the beads from the outside to unit with each other. Now pass for the next icon. We put the needle between two bees, make a loop, go through my needle for the loop, and pull a thread. Repeat 2 more times. Pass for the same bees and cut the thread. Now we put the rim finding. Open rim, put the bees, and we close. Nothing more for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and search for more beautiful videos. Bye bye.